So now I will do some more questions based on first law. Based on first law. So see here, the volume of gas at, this is question number 19 in your book. You can see in your book. I am showing you question here. The volume of the gas at the atmospheric pressure is 2 liter. It is clear. On giving 300 joule heat to the gas, its volume increases to 2.5 liter at the same pressure. Means you can see here, volume of initial volume is 2 liter. How will you convert in meter cube? 2 into 10 की power minus 3 meter cube. It's clear. 2 into 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. And final volume is 2.5 liter. It's clear. It takes place at constant pressure. And at constant pressure, which is the atmospheric pressure here. Which is here atmospheric pressure. On giving 300 joule heat to the gas, means heat is absorbed by the gas. When it is absorbed by the gas, then it will be taken positive. That is Q equals to 300 plus 300 joule. You have to determine the internal energy, change in internal energy. Atmospheric pressure is given this. So you can see here, Q equals to how much? 300 joule. And it is supplied to the gas, 300 joule. Atmospheric pressure is given 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So see here, first you will find out the work done. So work done equals to P into delta V. And this work done will be taken positive. Why it will be taken positive? Because the volume is increasing. So P is given 1 into 10 की power 5. Delta V 2.5 minus 2, it is in liter, and 10 to the power minus 3 in meter cube. So it will be 10 to the power 5. What will be its unit? As you know that pressure Newton per meter square. Volume meter cube. So it will be Newton meter. Newton meter means joule. So straightforward we will write joule. So it will be 0.5 into 10 to the power 2, that is equals to 50 joule. It's clear. Q is given this much. So from first law of thermodynamics, Q minus W equals to delta U. So you substitute delta U equals to Q is how much? 300 minus 50, that is 250 joule. Means increase in internal energy is 250 joule. Increase internal energy 250 joule. It will increase. And why it will increase? Because the sign of delta U is plus. Delta U का जो sign आ रहा है, that is plus. That's why it will increase. It's clear. So now you can see the next question. You can see. So questions are of same type. You can see here. Question number 20 in your book. Here you have to do question number 20. How much external work would have to be done in reducing the volume of an ideal gas at normal temperature and pressure? Normal pressure is this. If on absorbing 12 joule of energy, that is Q will be plus 12 joule. System is absorbing. System is absorbing, therefore it will be plus. The temperature of gas rises 1 degree Celsius. Calculate the final temperature of the compressed gas. It is clear. So see here, how much external work would have to be done on reducing the volume of the gas, ideal gas, by 2.4, means delta V is how much? 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 मीटर क्यूब. इतने से वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो रहा. इट्स क्लियर. एट नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर एंड नॉर्मल कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, प्रेशर रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. P is how much? 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. So see here, what will be the work done? So you can see work done will be equal to P into delta V. Pressure remains constant. So P equals to how much? 10 to the power 5 into 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 10. This will be 2.4 into 10 to the power 2. That is equals to 240 joule. 240 joule. It is clear. This is the, here it is 10 power minus 4. In the question it is given 10 power minus 4. So when you will place 10 power minus 4, it will be 10 ki power 1, means 24 joule. It is clear. Means what is the work done? How much external work is done? 24 joule. Now you go at the language of question. This much external work would have to be done in reducing. No heat energy is lost by the system. It is not mentioned anywhere. Now what is the second part? If on absorbing 12 joule of energy, this much work is being done, means this much energy will be absorbed by the system. क्योंकि इतना वर्क क्या है, सिस्टम पर किया गया है. इतना वर्क सिस्टम पर किया गया है. सो दिस वर्क विल स्टोर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरनल एनर्जी. In the form of internal energy, because here there is no Q. So if on absorbing 12 joule of energy, the temperature of gas rises by 1 degree Celsius. Calculate the final temperature of the compressed gas. You have to find the final temperature. So see here, what is the rise in temperature? In temperature, you can see, when it absorbs 12 joule energy, temperature rises by 1 degree Celsius. How much work has been done? This. So this much energy will be absorbed. So what will be the rise in temperature? 24 upon 12, that is equals to 2 degrees Celsius. What is the initial temperature? Temperature. So it is already given in normal temperature. And what is the normal temperature? Normal temperature is taken 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Therefore, final temperature, because you have to find final temperature of gas, it will be 0 plus 2, that is 2 degrees Celsius. This will be 2 degrees Celsius. It's clear? So this is one question. You can see one more question here. Question number 21 and 22, both are of same type. So you can see here, yes, 1671 centimeter cube of water vapor is formed from 1 centimeter cube of water at atmospheric pressure. Means what is the volume of water? 1 centimeter cube and 1671 centimeter cube of water vapor forms. It is clear. And pressure is given 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, and latent and 100 degrees Celsius. 1671 centimeter cube of water vapor is formed from 1 centimeter cube of water at atmospheric pressure this and temperature this. Latent heat of vaporization is 540 calorie per gram. How much increase in the internal energy will take place when 1 gram of water is converted into vapor at atmospheric pressure? How much internal energy will take place, how much increase in internal energy will take place when 1 gram of water is converted into vapor at atmospheric pressure. So first you find out the heat required. That you can say latent heat required equals to Q equals to M into L. What is M? 1 gram. L is given 540 calorie per gram. 540 calorie per gram. So that will be 540 calorie. This is the latent heat required. It's clear. Now see here, you find out the work done equals to P into delta V. Work done will also be positive. Why it will be positive? Because volume is increasing. Into 10 to the power 5 delta V 1671 minus 1. Now see here, it is in centimeter cube. You have to convert in meter cube. How will you do? Multiply by 10 की power minus 6. So it will be 1.01 into 1670 into 10 की power minus 1. That is 1.01 into 167. This joule. It's clear. So we have to convert it in. You can multiply this. So this comes out in joule. Now what will you do? You will convert this also in joule. How will you convert? 540 and 1 calorie equals to 4.18 joule. So what will be the increase in internal energy? Increase in internal energy. That is equals to Q minus W equals to delta U. So delta U equals to Q is this much. It is 540 into 4.18. Delta U is 1.01 into 167. That you can calculate. That will be the increase in internal energy. It's clear. So I don't have calculator, so you will do. It's clear. So by this way you can do. So now you will solve some more numericals by your own. I will try to solve some more.